Good evening. First question. All D's are C's. How do we represent here? D's which all are inside the part of C's. Next, only a few credits C's which represents here L. Only a few means some credits are loans, whereas some credits are not loans. Only which represents a positive and as well as negative. Some credits which are represents loans, whereas some credits which are not represents loans. Next, no loan which is not in the part of interest. This is the basic diagram of the given statements. The first one is to be here. Some interest can never be credits. Some interest can never means which does not possible. Some interest can never be credits. Can we write interest here? Yes or no? So does it applicable? What is the given conclusion? Is it follows or does not follows? Does not. Right. So next one. All debts are loan is a possibility. So clearly possibility. All D's which are inside the part of L. Can we write L as into this way? Yes or no? Yes. That means can we prove all D's which are inside the part of L? Yes. Is it possible? Yes. Answer for the question is? What is answer? Only 2. Next one. Only a few streets are roads. If you can take streets, in that of how many are roads? Some are roads and whereas some are not roads. No road is a lane. Road is not related with lane. Each lane is path. Each means all. All lanes which are in the part of path. This is the basic diagram of the given statements. First one. All streets can be. Can means possibility. So can we write all yes which are inside the part of L? Definitely some of the part of yes which is related to R. If we can write yes inside the part of L, definitely which is related to R. Yes or no? Can we have a chance to write? No. So first one is wrong. Next, some roads are definitely. So no need to read the word definitely. Some roads are not paths. Some roads are not paths. Can we prove? Can we write paths as into this way? ఇలా రాయొచ్చా పాత్ అనేది? ఎందుకు రాయకూడదు? Yes, we can. All lanes are path. Yes or no? ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ. ఎల్ ఓకేనా ఇది? ఆల్ ఎల్ఆర్పి ఇలా రాయకూడదా? ఎందుకు రాయకూడదు? చెప్పారా రాయకూడదని అలా ఏమన్నా చెప్పారా? దీనికి నెగిటివ్స్ రాయమని ఎక్కడైనా చెప్పారా? మరి ఆల్ ఎల్ఆర్పి ప్రూవ్ అయింది కదా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. మరి నెగిటివ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రాయొచ్చా మనం? ఎస్ ఆ నోనా? సమ్ రోడ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ పాత్స్ అనే పాయింట్ మనకి ట్రూనా ఫాల్సా? ఫాల్స్. ఈ పాయింట్లో తీసుకుంటే కరెక్ట్ అవుతుందేమో కానీ ఇలా తీసుకుంటే కరెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ అవుతుంది? అవ్వదు కదా. రాంగ్. ఇది ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ డయాగ్రామ్ కాబట్టి మనం ఆన్సర్ కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయలేం. వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ ద క్వశ్చన్? రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఈచ్ స్పోర్ట్ ఈజ్ ఏ గేమ్. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ స్పోర్ట్, how many sports are related to game? All sports. No game is related to player. Game is not related with the player. All games are which are in the part of hobbies. Is it the basic diagram? Right. So now first one. Some players are hobbies. Can we prove some of the players are hobbies? P and H madhya lapping unda. అంటే పాజిటివ్ ఉందా? నో. నో ప్లేయర్ ఈజ్ హాబీ. హాబీని ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా మనం. సో ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ కెన్ వి ప్రూవ్ నెగటివ్ ఫ్రమ్ P to H? నో ప్లేయర్ ఈజ్ హాబీ అనేది ఈ గ్రీన్ మార్క్లో చూసుకుంటే అది రైటా రాంగా? రాంగ్ కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ రాంగ్, సెకండ్ వన్ రాంగ్. వెన్ బోత్ ఆర్ రాంగ్, వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు వెరిఫై? either. Can we have the same elements unnaya? Yes. Sum and no, is it a complementary pair? Yes. Then answer either or. Next question. 7 persons are living 7 different floors of a building. The lowermost is numbered 1 and above is 2 and so on, and each one of them like a different games. So total number of floors are 7. First information, R lives on floor number 5. Can we have a confirmation? Yes. And one person lives between R and the one who likes cricket. Confirmation or possibilities? Possibilities. Can we take the one who likes cricket in the floor of 7? Yes. Is it definite one? Is it one of the possibility? One of the possibility. Where we have a chance to write the one who likes cricket? 3rd floor. Are you clear about this point? Right. So Q lives immediately below the one who likes cricket. Is it the place of 6? Is it the place of 2nd? Right. So next information, P lives immediately above M who likes rugby. So can we have any confirmation about the place of P and M? No. Wherever you can take P which is immediately above M and M likes rugby. Are you clear about this point? Right. So next information, the one who likes Ludo is immediately above N. Can we have any confirmation about N? No. Wherever you can take N, so the one who likes Ludo is immediately above. Is it the condition? Right. O likes tennis. O likes tennis. Next, the one who likes rugby and the one who likes badminton does not immediate to each other. So the one who belongs to or who likes to rugby and the one who likes badminton, these two persons are not each other. So next information, neither N nor P likes chess. P nor N, these two persons does not like chess. Next one, 3 persons live between R and N. 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, N. Is it the place of N? In another case also, is it the place of N? Right. So what about the information here from N, the one who likes Ludo? Immediate above. Is it the place of Ludo? Is it the place of Ludo? Right. So next, what about the next information? M likes rugby and the one who is P here immediately above of M. So we want 2 consecutive positions. M likes rugby. So rugby. Can we write M here? No. Because we can't write P. Is it the place of M? Is it the place of M? No. We don't have a chance to write rugby. Is it the only place of M? Yes. And this is the place of rugby and it is the place of P. And can we have a chance to write M here? No. Can we have a chance to write M here? Yes, but which is not possible for P place. And is it the place of M? Yes. And is it the place of P? And M likes rugby. And P and N does not like chess. We have any information. And we have one more information, the name of person who likes tennis. There are only 2 vacancies to write O here. So can we have a chance to write tennis here? No, which is not possible. Is it the only place of O? Yes. And who likes here? Tennis. Is it the place of chess? No. Is it the place of chess? No. Is it the only place of chess? Yes. And what about the next information? S The one badminton and the one who likes rugby, not immediate neighbors? Yes. Is it the place of badminton? No. Is it the place of badminton? Yes. What about the remaining game among the 7? Hockey. Is it the place of hockey? And what about the name of the person among 7 people? Yes. Okay, right. Are you done? So next, Ravi starts walking from his house towards to office. Where does he start? Starting point is house. And move towards to office. He walks 8 meters towards to south direction to reach point E. South direction indicates to left, right, up, down. Which direction indicates to south? Down. And walks 8. Reach point E. Next, then he take a 3 meters left turn to reach point A. The one who is moving towards to south direction, what is the person's left? ఇలా మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటే ఈ person కి left direction east, west, north, south. Which direction can we get? East. East always represents to right side. And person covers 3 meters and reach point A. From that point he takes a 2 meters left turn to reach point G. The one who is moving towards to east direction and their left is north. North is nothing but upside and cover the distance of 2 meters and reach point G. So from this point he takes 3 meters right turn. Takes a right turn. The one who is moving towards to north and their right is to be east. Cover the distance of 3 meters, reach point D. Next, from that point he takes a 9 meters to left and turn to reach point F. 9 meters left turn. So the one who is moving towards to east direction and their left is to be north. And what is the distance in between these 2 points? 6 meters. And if he reach this point means covered 6 meters, but we want to move 9 meters, that means more 3 meters and reach point F. And then finally he take a right turn, so 5 meters and reach his office. Right turn means east direction, 5 meters and he reaches office. This is the information as per the given data. First one, which direction is his office with respect to the house? Is it the place of house? This direction is, and office which lies in between these 2 lines, and that means right. What is the shortest distance between point E and F? Is it the shortest distance between E and F? Yes. And if you want to find this one is means this one be considered as into a right angle triangle. So how do we find out this line? So sum of the square root of the remaining 2 values. What is this side value? What is this side value? 3, 6, 2. What is the total value? 11. So 11 square. And this value is 3 followed by 3. Total 6. 6 square 36. Total 157. So which is not definitely, which is in the form of approximation. So 157 is approximately near to which number? So clearly 144, 169. That number is the nearest to, and gap is 144, 157 gap. Difference between 144 and 157. 157 to 169. 12. Which is the nearest number? Then answer right. Next, if point S is 6 meters to the east of his house, 6 meters means, is it the place of S? And then what is the distance between S and F? What is the distance between S and F? 3 meters. Are you done? Right. So next question, certain number of persons are sitting around a circular table facing towards to center. Circular table, all of them are facing towards to center. First one, Q sits third to the left of V. If we can start V here, and who is third left of V? Q. First left, second left, third left. Is it the place of Q? Yes. Can we have another possibility? As of now, we don't have any another possibility. Next, 4 persons sit between U and N. Can we have any confirmation about U position and N position? No. 2 persons sit between Q and A. Already we have a confirmation about Q place, and we need to write A. So can we have a chance right of Q? No. 1 place, 2 place, and is it the place of A? Yes. Right. The number of persons sit between V and A is 1 more than the number of persons sit between A and U. What does it mean? How many persons between A and V? 5. A and V 5 means A and U 1 more. V and A is 1 more. How many number of persons between A and U? 4 people. Are you clear about this one? So can we have any confirmation about the position of U? No. So there will be a chance to right of A, there will be a chance to left of A. So if we can take right of A means, is it the place of U? Is it definite one or possibility one? Possibility one. Can we have another possibility? Yes. And V 1 place, 2 place Q, 1 place, 2 place A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and U. Are you clear about this point? Right. Next information. S R sits 6th to the left of A. First left, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Already we have a 5 left positions. Is it the place of R? Right. Next, neither N nor A is immediate neighbor of R. Right. So next information, N sits third to the left of S. Can we have any confirmation about N and S here? No. As many persons sit between U and Q from right of Q is the same as the person sit between S and R. Next, A is immediate right of G. Is it the place of G? A sits immediate right of G, that which represents G sits immediate left of A. Yes or no? Is it the place of G? Yes. And we have one information at first which is in between U and N. How many number of persons in between U and N? 4 persons. U 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. Is it possible? U 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. Is it possible to write N? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it the place of N? Yes. And U and N, 1 person, 2 person, 3 person, 4 person. Can we have a chance to write N here? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. And is it the place of N? Yes. We have any information between N and S? N sits third to the left of S. What is the reverse information? If we can convert S to N. N sits third left of S. If we can convert S to N, S sits third to the right of N. Is it the place of S? Yes or no? First right, second right, third right. Is it the place of S? Right. And here we have an information. How many persons sit between U and Q? From right of Q is same as between S and R. Clearly here, how many people in between S and R? No person. And Q and U? Q and U. How many persons? Is it same? No. That means which is not possible. Yes or no? Next. How many number of persons in between S and R? We don't know. Because we don't have any comparison between S and R here, isn't it? How many persons between Q and U? One person. That means how many number of persons between S and R? One person. Is it right of R? Is it left of R? How do we confirm it? Ala confirm cheyacha? No. Yes or no? Confirmation ఇవ్వచ్చా ఇవ్వలేమా? ఎస్ ఎన్ఎస్ ఓకే రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్లో మనకి ఇక్కడ వన్ పర్సన్ అనే పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎస్. సో హౌ మెనీ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ వి? వితో 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21 persons. 21 persons గురించి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇంకా వాటి గురించి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏవి ఇస్తే అవి సాల్వ్ చేయడం. Next question, which is about alphabet test. How many number of pairs of letters are so far as in between them? Can you have any such pair with E? E, M, P, I, R, I, C, A, L. ఈతో ఏదైనా పేర్ అవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? ఎఫ్, జి, హెచ్, ఐ, జే, కే, ఎల్, ఎం. ఈజ్ దేర్ ఎనీ సచ్ పేర్ విత్ ఈ? ఎంతో ఎం అండ్ ఐ, ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎ పేర్? ఇన్ రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్. జే, కే, ఎల్, ఎం, ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎ పేర్? ఎస్. PR, is it a pair? IL, is it a pair? Yes or no? How many pairs are there? 3 pairs. Next, we have a coded inequalities which is in the form of codes. First one, what is at the rate of denotes? Not smaller. Not smaller means greater or equal. What is percentage denotes? Smaller or equal. And what is a star denotes? Equal. And what is a dollar denotes? Greater. And what is hash denotes? Smaller. Right. $Y. What is a dollar here? A greater than Y. At the rate of means greater than or is equals to J, equals to R, less than G. At the rate of means greater than or is equals to H. Percentage means less than or equal to V, and hash means less than T. This is the information. Y to G, Y and G, we have a opposite signs in between Y and G, isn't it? We can't be establish the relation. So is it true or false? False. T and H. So T and H, clearly we have a information which is less than or equal to and less than. From these two, what we can get? Less than. Which is less than? H is less than T as per the given statement. And what is a dollar represents? Greater. So are both same? Yes. Is it true or false? True. Answer for the question is only 2 is true. Next, d at the rate of k. What is at the rate of here? Greater than or is equals to k. Dollar represents greater y. Equal to s, less than or equal to r, and greater than I, and less than or is equals to o, and at the rate of means greater than or is equals to h. The question between y and h. Y and h we have a opposite signs, isn't it? We can't establish. S to h. S and h, can we have opposite signs? Yes or no? Yes. Is it true or false? False. When both are false, what we have to verify? We must have to verify either. Either verify chayali kada. What is hash denotes? What is hash denotes? Y smaller h. What is at the rate of denotes? S greater than or is equals to h. Are you clear about these points? Right. And what is the statement says here? Y is equals to s. In the place of y, can we write s? Y less than h, can we convert it as into s less than h? Yes or no? Right. So clearly we have two conclusions here. One is s smaller h, another one is s greater than or equal to h. Both are wrong. Yes or no? If we can combine it together, what we can get the answer? S may greater or smaller or equal to h. Can we prove this one in a information? Yes. Then answer for the question is either 1 or 2. Answer for the question is either 1 or 2. Option number 4. Be careful when you have this type of questions in examinations. Are you done? Right. So next information, W star T. What is the star denotes here? Equals to T, and less than or equal to N, and less than G, and greater than K, and less than or is equals to R, equals to U, and less than or equal to X. N to W. So from N to W, what we can get the answer from equal and less than or equal to W less than or equal to N. Is it the equation from the statement? Yes. What is a hash denotes smaller? N smaller than W. Can we accept this one? Yes or no? No. Next, X at the rate of K. What is at the rate of denotes? Greater than or equal to X greater than or equal to K. So can we accept that X greater than or equal to K? Yes. Answer for the question is only 2. Next question, which based on Fazil. 8 persons are working in a school. Each of them has a different designations. Director, principal, vice principal, and so on. Assistant librarian, but not necessarily in the same order. Director is the senior most designation and assistant librarian is the lower most designation. So as per the designations, we just have to write top person is director, and the next one is principal, next one is vice principal, next one is senior teacher, next one is teacher, next one is assistant teacher, librarian, assistant librarian. So these are the designations. And what about the first information here? 3 designations lie between S and X. Yes, 1, 2, 3, X either in this format లేదా X 1, 2, 3S ఇలా అయినా ఉండాలి కదా మనకి. Next one, W is senior to Y and junior to T, who is senior to teacher. W is senior to whom? W is senior to Y and junior to T. So who is senior to teacher? Who is senior to teacher means? Who means? T. T is senior to teacher. So T must be among these 4. Yes or no? Can we have any confirmation? No. Next, Y is junior to sorry, V is senior to X. V is senior to X. Is it the position? But we can't say how many number of persons in between them. Gap unda leda confirmation anta మన దగ్గర ఏమీ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ U is junior to Y. Y కంటే బిలోలో కదా U రావాల్సింది, రైట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ who is not librarian. Who is not librarian means Y. So which is not the place for Y. So next one, S is junior to teacher. S is junior to teacher means three possibilities. S must be among these three, yes or no? Next, but does not assistant librarian, which is not the place for S. Z is junior to V. Is it the information? Right. So can we consider S place here? Is it one of the possibility? Yes or no? And how many persons in between S and X? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Is it the place of X? Yes or no? Right. So what about the next information? Can we have a chance to write S here? One of the possibility. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, and is it the place of X? And which is the definite place of V? So because X and V position ఇలా ఉంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏది కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చు మనం? S X V. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏం కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చు? U X SX అయితే కన్ఫర్మ్ కదా. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం రాయొచ్చు మనం? S ప్లేస్ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకెవరు రాయొచ్చు? T అండ్ ఈనా? S అండ్ X గురించి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అయిపోయింది. W is senior to Y and T, who is senior to V, senior to X. C and T and టీచరా? T గురించి రాయొచ్చా? రైట్. సో T అనే పర్సన్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి? సీనియర్ టీచర్, సీనియర్ టీచర్ ఏమని చెప్పారు ఒకసారి? హూ ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టు, హూ ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టీచర్, కరెక్ట్. హూ ఈజ్ సీనియర్ టీచర్ మీన్స్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ T here, and this is the place of T, right? This is not the condition. Who is senior teacher, right? So T here. And what about the information W, Y and T which are below to T? So can we write W here? And is it the place of Y? Is it the place of U? And is it the place of W? Is it the place of Y? But which is not applicable because Y is not a librarian. And V and what about another person? Z. Is the place of V? Is the place of Z? Yes, right. I thought this one can be teach as in T, who is senior to teacher, but which is a, who is a senior teacher? Next, how is the word health in written code language? So health అనే వర్డ్ మనకి చూస్తే ఎన్ని స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? Which are or which is the repeated one? Health repeat అయిందా? No. Is repeat అయిందా? No. Importance? Yes. Important repeat అయింది కాబట్టి ఏదో ఒక కోడ్ రిపీట్ అవ్వాలి కదా, LM. So then what is the code for the word health? Either PO or KS. Then option either 1 or 3. Next, 8 persons PQRSTV and W are born in different years. So what are the years here? 1992, 1995, 1997, 2003 and 2009 and 2013 2019, 2021, and their ages on the year of 2030. So the one who born in 2021, his age is or her age is 9 years, and 19 లో born అయిన person age ఎంత 11, 13 లో born అయింది 17, and 9 లో born అయింది 21, 3 లో born అయింది 27, and 97 లో born అయింది 33, and 95 లో born అయింది 35, and 92 లో born అయింది 38. సో ఇవే కదా ఏజెస్ మనకి, రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఎస్ ఈజ్ యంగర్ దాన్ వి. ఎస్ ఈజ్ యంగర్ దాన్ వి మీన్స్ హౌ మచ్ యంగర్ అనే పాయింట్ ఏమైనా తెలుసా మనకి? బట్ ఎస్ అనే పాయింట్ మనకి బిలోలోనే కనిపించాలి వి కంటే. ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ టీ అండ్ పి ఈజ్ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 11. టీ ప్లస్ పి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 11 multiple. Are you clear about this one? Right. So next one, R is younger than W. R is younger than W. Next, S was born in 2003. S was born in 2003. V is older than W. V is older than W. Two persons are born between S and U. One person, two person, is it the place of U in one of the possibility? Yes. U, is it in one of the possibility? Yes or no? So next one, T is older than P. So T is older and P is younger. Q age is a multiple of 5. How many number of multiple of 5 numbers? Only one number. What is that number? 35. This is the place for Q and this is the place for Q. ఇదే కదా ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, రైట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్తో మనం మూవ్ అవ్వచ్చు? నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, టీ అండ్ పి వాల్యూ ఏమవ్వాలి మనకి? మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 11. సో టీ అండ్ పి, టీ ఏమవ్వాలి మనకి? ఓల్డర్ అవ్వాలి, పి ఖచ్చితంగా యంగర్ అవ్వాలి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, పి అనే పర్సన్ మనకి 9 అయితే 9 + 17 11 మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వదు కదా. 9 + 21 నో. 9 + 33, 9 + 33 is it multiple of 11? 9 + 38 is it multiple of 11? నో. అంటే పి అనేది 9 years అయ్యే ఛాన్సే లేదు కదా మనకి. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ 17 హియర్, 17 తీసుకుంటే పి అనేది, అండ్ 17 ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 17 + 21 is it multiple of 11? 17 + 27 is it multiple of 11? No. 17 + 33 is it multiple of 11? Yes or no? No. 17 and 33 is it multiple of 11? 17 and 33. No. 17 and 38. What is 17 + 38? 55. So that means one of the possibility, P born on 2013 and T born in 1992. Is it confirmation? As of now it is correct. ఇప్పటి వరకు కరెక్టా లేదా కన్ఫర్మా? ఇప్పటి వరకే కదా కరెక్ట్, ఇంకా కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయలేదు, ఇంకా పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉండొచ్చేమో, వీ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ దట్ వన్. సో నెక్స్ట్, this is one of the possibility. If you can take P here, 21 + 33 is it multiple of 11? No. So 21 and 38 is it multiple of 11? No. Next, if you can take P here and 33 and 38 is it multiple of 11? No. That means we can confirm about P's age. What is P's age? 17. What is T's age? 38. And how many number of people are here? How many remaining people are here? Clearly V and S information. This is the place of V and this is the place of W and this is the place of R. Okay, next information which based on here comparison. How many persons are here? 5 persons. Each one have a different height. So name of the persons are to be here A, B, C, D and E. Topmost position is tallest and bottommost position is shortest. C is taller than A, but sorry, we have a two comparisons. One is about height, another one is about weight. So as per the height point, we have a 5 people A, B, C, D, E, and whereas weight also we have a 5 people A, B, C, D, E. And we have an information such that the tallest one is not the heaviest one. The one who is the tallest, that person is not the heaviest one, right? C is taller than A but not heavier than A. C is taller than A, the comparison which is in height, yes or no? C is taller than whom? A. Can we have any confirmation about those 2 persons places among the 5 places? No. Next, but not heavier than A. So but not means C is not heavier than A. So which is a comparison in weight? C is not heavier than A. C is not heavier means C is lighter. Are you clear about this one? Right. Next, D is heavier than E and B but shorter than E. D is heavier than E and B, which is in weights comparison. D is heavier than whom? E and B. Next, but shorter than E. So this information which is about heights, that means D is shorter than E. Are you clear about this note? Right. C is heavier than D. The information which is about weights. C is heavier than D. And this is the place of E, B. Can we confirm A place? Yes or no? C, D. Can we have any confirmation about EB as of now? No, right. Next, only 2 persons are taller than E. Only 2 persons are taller than E means E place is definite because we have a 5 people. In that of only 2 persons are taller means the remaining 2 persons are shorter than E. Right. B is heavier than E. B is heavier than E means can we confirm? Yes. Next one, but not as much as tall as D. B is not taller than D. B is not taller than D means B is shorter than D. Are you clear about this point? So right. So clearly D is definitely shorter than E. Is it the place of D? Is it the place of B? And are these the places of C and A? Yes. So next question, which based on number test. What is the given number here? 82945716, and 1 is subtracted to all odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 9571, and it becomes 8460, and 1 is added to all even numbers. 8 becomes 9, 2 becomes 3, 4 becomes, and 6 becomes 7. Then all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right. So descending order from left to right means clearly this number is for descending order means ఈ numbers కదా descending order లో రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది నెంబర్? 9 8 7. Can you have the number 6? Yes. Can you have the number 5? 4 3. Can you have the number 2? No. Can you have the number 1? No. 0. So in this case, how many numbers places will remain unchanged? How many are unchanged? 1, which is 5. Except 5, the remaining all numbers are changed. Number series అయిపోయిందా? Numbers, question number please. 46. What is the first number in the given series? And the last number as per the given numbers? 300. 600 becomes 300 means which is in a decreasing process by subtraction. Difference. Pony. What is the difference? 66, 83 difference. 66, 83 difference. 17. Next difference. 34. Next difference. 68. The next difference must be here decimal number, yes or no? If we can subtract a decimal number from a natural number, we'll get decimal number. Which is the decimal number in the given options? Third option. Option number 3 is our answer. Next one. A question which starts with 9, ends with 13,000. 9 తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 13,000 వెళ్ళిందంటే డెఫినెట్లీ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కదా. సో 9 1 time plus 1, 10 2 times plus 4, 3 times. What is 24 into 3? 72. 72 plus 27. 99 into 4. 99 into 4 plus 16. Once if you observe 1 cube, are you clear about this point? Next, into 5 plus 125. 2 into 5, last digit. 2 into 5, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Last digit we want 5. How many options does consist last digit of 5? Only one, right? Starting number 7, ending number 120.5, and we have a decimal numbers unnai. First number to second number, is it increasing process or decreasing process? Decreasing. So clearly which is in the process of multiplication. How many times? 0.5. Next, multiplied by 2 times. 2 times. Next, multiplied by 3.5, and difference is 1.5. 1.5. Next, 1 point difference is 5. 24.5 into 5, is it 122.5? Yes. The next must be 1.5 is nothing but 6.5. 122.5 is a decimal number multiplied by a decimal number, and the last digit 5. So 5 multiplication, so clearly last digit must be a decimal by followed 2 digit number, yes or no? So how many number of options does it consist? Only one, that is 5 into 5 అనేది డెఫినెట్గా మనకి డెసిమల్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా, రైట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్, లాస్ట్ నెంబర్? సో ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇంక్రీజా డిక్రీజా? ఇంక్రీజ్, బట్ నాట్ బై ద మల్టిప్లికేషన్. మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అంత ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా. డిఫరెన్స్ 21, డిఫరెన్స్ 29, డిఫరెన్స్ 39, difference of difference 8, difference of difference 10. Next difference must be 6 means 21 minus 6. 21 minus 16, 6. 43 minus 15. 43 minus 15, 28. Next, once if you observe the values, clearly those values are prime numbers. We can easily recognize those numbers which is not in a proper increasing or decreasing. So clearly these numbers are in the form of prime. Consecutive prime, isn't it? Which is the next prime number as per the series? 59. Right. Thank you.